We're going to go and have a look at the class in a moment. The patients come in and we do a seated warm-up. That's a deliberate thing because some people will find that a standing warm-up can make them breathless and use a lot of energy. So we do that as a nice gentle warm-up, check that everybody's okay, there's no injuries that we need to be aware of. Then what we do is we enter into the circuit, and that is a 12 exercise circuit. So you'll see the posters on the wall and they have 3 options. They have the red easy option, orange intermediate option and green advanced option. And so you'll see the patients doing whichever option is preferable to them. You'll see us going round and correcting technique, offering advice, perhaps telling them how to control their breathing. And what they'll do is a minute on each exercise and then they'll go on to the next exercise. If you're struggling, you'll do as much of that minute as possible. If you're finding it really easy, we'll bring in some dumbbells or something to make it a little bit harder and make it more appropriate to your level. So that will happen for 12 exercises, of which they alternate upper limb and lower limb, and they work on things like your balance, your strength, your flexibility, and some nice stretching. And then after that, we separate into our groups and do some walking practice. So in week 1, you'll walk for 1 minute and then have 1 minute's rest. And then over the weeks, we try to increase that so that by week 5, we're aiming for 5 minutes. But as I said, it's tailored to the individual. The orange and green group also work on walking, but then we take them down to the gym as well if they wish to go down to the gym and introduce them to that side of things with the hopes that after the course, they then might want to join the gym as well and carry on managing really well in the future, progressing, developing.
They've helped quite a lot actually. I've learned a lot from them, which I didn't realise at the time. Like the breathing, how to breathe and everything. It has helped a lot. The information I've received as well.